Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best microfiber cleaning cloths reusable on the market right now. The Fabuloso Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, Rainbow Edition. If you're looking to elevate your home cleaning routine with vibrant, effective, and surface-safe tools, stick around. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn why these cloths could be a game-changer for your home, car, and everything in between. Let's start with first impressions. Each pack comes with 8 13 by 13-inch microfiber cloths in a rainbow of colors, bright, cheerful, and practical. The size hits a sweet spot. Not too small to be ineffective and not so big that you feel like you're folding a bath towel every time you clean. That's especially handy if you're trying to assign specific colors to different tasks. Maybe blue for glass, red for the kitchen, yellow for dusting. Easy to organize, even easier to use. Now what makes these cloths stand out isn't just their colorful look, it's the microfiber material. And Fabuloso didn't cut corners here. These cloths are thick, plush, and soft, designed to lift dust, dirt, and grime without scratching or leaving streaks behind. Whether you're polishing your wood furniture or wiping down your kitchen counters, you'll notice they glide smoothly across surfaces. The cleaning power is seriously impressive. They work equally well dry or damp. Dry for picking up fine dust and particles, damp for tackling tougher spots on windows, stainless steel appliances, or your car's exterior. And speaking of glass, you're going to love how these handle mirrors and windows. The cloths deliver a truly streak-free finish, which is rare for something that doesn't leave behind lint or require chemical cleaners. Toss them into the washing machine, and they come out nearly as good as new. And they maintain their absorbency, even after several washes. So not only are you saving money in the long run, but you're also being more eco-friendly by reducing your reliance on paper towels or disposable wipes. They're gentle enough not to scratch but strong enough to remove residue. The lint-free fabric won't leave annoying fibers behind. Fabuloso has taken something as basic as a cleaning cloth and turned it into a surprisingly thoughtful product. Every detail feels intentional, from the vibrant colors and sizing to the premium material and reusability. It's clear they want to make cleaning less of a chore and more of a satisfying routine. One important thing to note is that while the 8-pack is the most popular option, Fabuloso does offer other sizes. So if you fall in love with them, you can go bigger and get more cloths per pack to stock up for your whole household. At the time of recording this, the 8-pack is also quite affordable. But if you're outside the US, keep in mind there may be additional import charges depending on your region. It's always best to check shipping details before ordering. To wrap up, if you're searching for a durable, reusable, and colorful microfiber cloth that actually lives up to its promises, the Fabuloso Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are absolutely worth trying. They're streak-free, scratch-free, machine-washable, and designed to handle just about every cleaning task you throw at them. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. See you in the next one.